Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of You Can Hide Your Tales Anymore, chapter 2. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Singti and Silan. Now, Singti, she was really acting strange. The master can do whatever she wants from her. Oh, definitely this girl. She was really one attraction. She was really good at acting. But Cindy said to her, it's really not fastidious. She was holding her face. Cindy, it seems to be, it's getting hurt. But of course, right now. Silan, she put something on her mouth. Well, what is the medicines for? What kind of medicine did this guy give me? Now, she was on herself, but still, she really remembers everything that's happening to her. But your body doesn't seem that not hot anymore. Could it be that this medicine suppress the estrus? Now, she was really thinking hard. You really have no principle, Silan said to Sinti. Now, this girl, you really want to trick her. Also, Sinti, she was only acting like a pet. You should show everyone what you look like. She is really bad intentions. Sinti, it seems that she really want to punish her. Well, definitely, they've been rival before. But now, Sinti, she got pushed by Silan. Sinti, wash it wells in the water. Now she fall down on the bathtub. Well, of course, Cindy, she looks really strange. It's really not easy. Cindy said to herself. Now she was looking at Silan. Silan, it seems to be having fun. Alpha Monaco, Orc Federation, high-level office. Cindy, Shen Silan of the Human Federation, very cunning and ruthless. Now, she's been charged. But now, does she have a secret work? That's why she come to Silan. Chip Song Ling. And Silan is the one to provoke war. She holds the core data report. If I was eliminated by her because of this, then I was unlucky. So it turns out she really have a mission. War and divisions people should not exist, don't you? And I fight for this. Well, since you are so determined, then I agree. Now, it really makes sense. Remember, your identity is top secret. Even if it's between you, to keep it a secret, there's no turning back. This plan must not be failed this time. Cindy said to herself, so she was only acting like she is really level 5 orc. Now, she was really acting so she can able to deceive Silan, and Silan won't be aware from her mission. Now, after taking a bath, she already stood up. Cindy, she was calling Silan. Master, I have washed it out. Well, she was wearing a clothes. Did you see Silan? She was sitting on the couch. Silan said to her, come here. Now, is she really going to flat something? Well, looking at her face, she really looks mischievous. Now Cindy was coming closer to her. Expected of the higher level leader of the Federation, it is also a quick adapter to be a Fed. What do you want from me? Silan said to her, I wish it was more intentional, but tell me what are great things you did to make your level down. This place step up. Silan, she was really want to know, but now, Cindy, she kept herself in silent. Of course, she don't want to reveal her mission to Silan. That's why she chose to keep herself in silence. Now, it really makes sense. They said it was because I eliminate one people. Now Silan is asking her, who is the person that she eliminated? That's why she got demoted on her position. Assistant to the chairman of the Federation. I can even remember. Who is he? How can I do that? He told me he is actually the illegitimate child of the chairman. Silan, come closer to her. Why are you eliminating him? I heard he climbed into my bed in the middle of the night. Back then, I was careless. Cindy explaining to Silan. This is very consistent with Cindy's style. Given her situation in the Orc Federation, she shouldn't be punished like this for eliminating scoundrel. Is there another purpose? Silan, she kept herself in silence. She was only looking at hers. Or it's really irreversible to do something irreversible. Do you know why I brought you back? Silan said to her. Now, she got really confused. Is this so? It's really a fur kitty. Who does? Oh, she looks really mischievous. Is this so? It's really a fur kitty. Who does the brainwashing? I forgot. You also know what I do. If I really want to stay, it's not impossible. Now, Singli, it seems that she was not really trusting her. Silan right now, but I don't believe you. I'm already like this. What do you have to do to believe me? Singli said to herself. Well, of course, it was really unbelievable. Now, how can she prove herself? What? If you carry a bag, if you take off your clothes, let me check it. I only have a towel on my body. Singli said to hers. Where can I hide the bag? Cindy said to Silan. Now she seems to be getting rattled. Of course, Silan, she is really getting tricky towards her, and her request is really too much for her. Now, Silan said kittens don't wear clothes. What can you say about this? Kissing. So, until now, she continued to provoke her, so she can able to prove that she was telling the truth. Cindy right now, she already did. But Silan is requesting about hers. Oh, this is simply a cute conversation, but now it really makes sense. Singti, it's alright now. She told her that's everything is already. But of course, turns out Silan, she was really serious about this matter. Now she was staring at hers, even though she looks really surprised. Why Singti suddenly follow hers? Well, definitely, she was really telling the truth on her mind. But now, it really makes sense. The young officer is in good shape. Even she goes repeatedly in battlefield. Still, her skin is really spotless. Well, it was really a phrase or she was only teasing her. Well, suddenly, she noticed something. Silan, she moved closer and grabbed her hands. Well, definitely, she's going to do something. Now she's getting tricky. Well, I want to check. Why did you put it on? Silan is asking questions again. Of course, she really need to dress. But this Silan girl will become tricky. Well, to be able to deceive her, or she really want to see her like that. Yes, of course. How can you check? Even I'm wearing a clothes. Now, looking at her, she was blushing and also she looks really shy. Of course, it's deeper. She's getting closer to her. Thoroughly. Silan. She's really getting triggered to her. What kind of inspection is she going to do for her? Apparently, she only said to hers, but this is for inspection. See on what will happen next. Since Silan, she was really getting tricky towards her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!